kids, welcome back to Roto Talk.
Right, welcome back. It's Monday. Pretty cool out today, like 60, which is really weird. It's supposed to be 90 on Thursday. We got the old hydroplane fixed. So there's my kid in her boat, the rescue boat. I'm off the neighbor's pier right now. Recharge the battery, fiberglass the boat back up. We're going to give this thing a run. Again, this is to just see if the spray lube is going to hold up as good as grease. So what we're going to do, hopefully I won't screw it up. I do have some weeds here, which isn't so great. I'm going to try and make it through here. I don't like running electrics and weeds, but we'll see what happens. And then we're going to take the boat up there if I don't trash it again and see what the condition the shaft is in. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Try not to be too stupid. Bit of hop. She moves. It's a great boat if you want to build, if you like building and you like hydros. You want to do an electric, awesome kit. So far so good. Also being kind of daring too because it's really windy. Moving right along. Now, the fact that this boat's hopping around like that really doesn't bother me because this boat has been crashed and repaired so many freaking times. There's probably more fiberglass in it than there is wood anymore. So, I'm not worried about it. Yes, it could be dialed in better, but that's all right. Actually pretty stable when you consider the wind I'm riding in. 20 mile an hour probably. Well, so far we still have a prop. Went right through weeds on that time. Doesn't seem to be slowing anything down. And again, we're running 6S, so pretty good, 36,000 RPM, something like that. Reasonably small prop. I'm going to slow down. Yeah, we're about at the end here. So I'm going to let the battery recover, and we're going to pull her in. And we're going to take her up. Hey, I made it through a whole battery without trashing it. That's impressive. See, when a LiPo goes, that's full speed. When a LiPo goes, they go. Not very much runtime. Okay, let us take it up to the shop. We're going to inspect, look at the weeds on that turn fin. That ain't helping. And the prop. We'll take it up to the shop and check that shaft. See? LiPos will bounce back, but you're not getting much. That's full speed. Alrighty, let's bring her in. Might have to run the tunnel today too. Looks like my repair held up pretty good. I took, we had a huge crack in the front, about that long, and one going lengthways. And I just took fiberglass resin and wood flour and fixed it. That's it. So, meet you up at the shop. Be right back. It's a reasonably successful run. Nothing was too hot. I just now took off the tape, whatever. You can see it's still got a little bit of water in there, not too bad. My wonderful don't give a shit patch job I did yesterday. Just fiberglass and wood flour, poured it in there, solid as a rock. So let's pull the shaft. That's what inquiring minds want to know here. Now, I was wrong. I thought this stuff was cheaper than grease. It's about the same. It's like 13, 25, 30 bucks a can. But that's probably damn near what you're going to pay for good grease, maybe. So I'd rather not have the mess. So let's see. No, still has a coating on there. I think it's about the same as grease. I think I'll do a couple more runs and report back. But for the most part, doesn't seem too bad. Success so far. We'll do another installment later. So until then, guys, keep dry side up.